Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan. Welcome to another tutorial for Altium Designer. In this video we're going to create the footprint for this IC LM555. This is the schematic that we already created, and this is the footprint that you can create after watching this video. The name of the package for this footprint was SOIC or SOIC-8 from the datasheet. This is the SND, and we can look at the exact distance between different pins. We can look at the width or length of the device, and you can learn it from the scratch. And actually you can somehow know after watching this video, you can create any kind of ICs with any for example 16 pins or 14 pins. This is from IPC Wizard in Altium Designer that really made it really easy for you guys. But before we get started, if you're new here, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be aware of it. Let's jump into it. So this is the Altium, and this was actually the schematic of this LM555 that we already created, and you have to create another library for your footprint, and this library, it belongs to you. Okay, you can create it. I already created. How I can create this library for footprint? From file, new, library, PCB library. So file, new, library, PCB library, and when you hit that, you have this page for you in your Altium Designer, and you can set a name for that. If you want to save it, you can hit that save as, and in save as you can write your own name for this .pcblib, which is your library for footprint. Okay, now how can I create this footprint? First of all, this is the data sheet, and this is the package that I told you already for this IC, SOIC. Okay, SOIC, the name of the package for this device, and these are the different distances, different numbers. This is in millimeter in these brackets, and above number write it in inch. So I use millimeter for my design, for my footprint. So here, from tools, IPC compliant footprint wizard, and you have this new page for you. Next, and here you can choose the right package for your device. And because I told you already this was SOIC, you had to choose this one and hit the next one. So here you have different numbers, and this is where you can create your own device. You see, this is so easy. You can just look at these. For example, for width range, H. This is H. What is the minimum and maximum in millimeter for H? And you can look at just this picture and fit it with your own data sheet. So where is H? H actually the distance from here to there. Okay, 5.8 minimum, 6.19 maximum. Here minimum 5.8 and 6.19. and if you look at this picture in here, you can see whenever I change a number, in this picture it's going to be updated. Okay, hit tab to go to the next number. Maximum height, A. This is A, maximum height of the device. So where is maximum height of the device? I think this is the maximum height of the device, 1.75. Sometimes in the data sheet they write it just like this, A, H, D, E, something like that, but here is just show you in a picture. It depends on the data sheet. What is maximum standoff height? A1. A1. Here it's the A1. So what is A1 for this device? I'm looking for it. I think this is the A1. If I wasn't wrong, 0.25, and it's already 0.25. Okay, so this one is the same. Body width range E. This is E. What is the minimum and maximum for E? For E, here it's the E. 3.81, 3.98, 3.81, and 3.98. Hit tab to go to the next section. Body length width, body length range D. This is D, body length range. So this is D, 4.81 to 5, 4.81 to 5. As you can see, this is completely updated. Number of pins, which was already 8. Okay, lead width range B. B. This is the lead width range B. Minimum and maximum. This is B. 0.31, 0.51. 51. What is lead length range? L. This is L. Lead length range L. This is L. This is L actually. 0.41 to 1.27. If I wasn't wrong, L. This was L. Let me check that again. Yes, 0.41 to 1.27. Yes, 0.41 to 1.27. That was it. And here it says that all SOIC packages have a pitch E of 1.27 millimeter. This is the distance between two pins, and this is really important. This is E in your footprint, and as you can see, here it says that the distance between center of this pin to this pin was 1.27, as it says on Altium. So these are all the different distances for this footprint, and you can generate a step model preview. It means that a step model is something like the 3D of the device. If you create it, you can have 3D, just something so simple for 3D of this device, or you can add different shape. As you can see, when I hit that option, you can see it now. Okay, this is the 3D predefined 3D for this device. Okay, so here it is, and these are all just next options, just next, and you can set the name of this footprint. For example, if you hit that, you can set the name of this package was SOIC-8. Remind me that this was just SOIC package for 8 pins. Okay, and about this SOIC 8 leads body, about the length of body or pitch, something like that. You can leave it just like that, no problem. Next, and About the library, the PCB, I already added, I already created in my own library, so no problem with that. And finish. If you hit finish, you can see this was actually the footprint that I already promised you. You can see it. You can even edit it if you want. For example, uh, I want this dot to be, for example, somewhere else, but I think this was just fine. This was really helpful for somebody who wants to montage this footprint on PCB to find where was the pin number 1 to put it in the right place. But I'm gonna remove this one. No need for this one or this one. Okay, and here is the footprint for this IC. And now after I create this footprint, I had to add it for my own schematic. So whenever I upload this schematic in my design, this was LM555. Okay, I had to have this footprint for this device, and from here, add footprint. You see, add footprint on the bottom. From add footprint, I had to browse this footprint from my own library. If you don't have any libraries here, you had to find it from your PCB, I think with 3 dots. I had to somehow find it here, or I had to add my own library into this one. I can search for it. Okay, always we can search for it. Nothing's there. I don't know why. I'm gonna install. Yes, from install, I'm gonna install my own library D. Where was my own library for this design? This was my PCB. Can move it up, install library, close it, and there you go. I have this. I have this for my footprint, and hit OK, and again hit OK. You can see it here. So this is the schematic, this is the footprint that I added, and as you can see, you have the footprint and of course a 3D of this device. You can just hit save it, and whenever you upload it in your new schematic, in your new project, you can have the schematic and footprint together. Okay, in this way you have the full package for one specific device when you want to design your circuit in Altium. Okay, I hope you like this video. If that's the case, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching.